Good evening, sports fans. I'm just enjoying a little cooking here tonight inside my tent. I'm cooking up some pasta. I don't want to cook the pasta, but I have it, and I just have a little bit with well, some onions and sweet potato, and put a lot of curries powders in there and garlic, and a fair bit of olive oil. If I can miss out the pasta and it's better, but you know what I mean. You gotta eat something that's cheap, but pasta's not too bad. Anyway, just showing you the cooking mainly. The new little way I got the cooker going. Look, it's like a little campfire when you know, keeps you feeling great. Just those flames aren't real, but I tell you what, it's nice to see them flickering, and nice to put your hands near there and just feel the heat occasionally. And I don't recommend you do this because it could blow yourself up, I guess, maybe. But I tell you what, it works quite well. I've been doing it 8 months, like I said, and it's a real enjoyment to me. Like, especially like in the semi-darkness, to see those flames like that. It adds to things. Makes me feel like I'm in my natural environment. All this